Hello, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what's the difference between the verbs incite and instigate. Incite means to urge, to provoke someone to act, to do something in a negative context, while instigate means to urge, initiate, to make something happen, like a situation, event, occasion, action, etc. Can be both neutral or negative. Let's take a closer look at some examples to better understand it. A group of protesters was busted by the police because they were protesting against the rigged election. So, their arrest incited riots across the city. To the next example. Investigators found out that the recent election was rigged, so they instigated the re-election process, or perhaps you can say they instigated review a review of the recent election, and after that they instigated the re-election process. So that's all the examples and that's all the difference, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes.